back now. Back in, man. Goal.
All right, so big up on yourself, people. Again, MG Sports TV here. We're here for the featured match, Arnett Gardens versus Dunbeholden. I don't know, say a game week 14, first round, our first set of games for the second round. But it's very, very interesting. Let me just reload so we can hopefully me have the starting lineup. I'm supposed to have the starting lineup. Jaja Star. No, I'm not get it yet. Anyways, but it's supposed to be a good match. Arnett Gardens versus Dunbeholden. We always expect a big clash between these two teams. I'm expected to see some fireworks. Dunbeholden last week didn't really perform so well last week. I do believe that they want to bounce back from that. It's very, very important that they do so. Arnett Gardens still searching for the level of consistency. Last 3-0 out. So two teams who are coming in a game, it's a must-win game for both teams. This 3 points is a signal that we mean business this season. We are solidifying ourselves in the top 6 to go to the playoff, and that's how it's set so far this season. Two teams right now. I don't expect these two teams to be so inconsistent, but that's football. Sometimes you don't know what to expect in football. Nonetheless, I do believe that players to look out for Arnett Gardens, Fabian Reed coming back. You know, you always expect a good performance from Fabian, and then now for Dunbeholden, I do believe that Nicholas Nelson could be coming back in the phase of play this time around. So both teams have players to look out for. Both teams have what it takes to get the job done this tonight. Leonard Hyde, I do believe that Lenny would have done his homework. David Gilbert, definitely looking forward to this one. You know how Arnett play, a lot of intensity. Dunbeholden, not so intense, but a more possession-based type football. This one is going to be an interesting clash. Let's see how this one go, people. Big up on yourself, hopefully like a little bit of clips and stuff. So big up on yourself, people, and I'll see you guys at the end of the game. Big up!
Alright, you're not doing it. Knock out. As you just done.
All right, so people, full time. We're going to hear from the man of the match. We're also going to hear from the coaches listening. First of all, we're going to go to the man of the match. Let's see what he has to say.
For the record, say name.
My name is Asher Hutchinson.
Asher Hutchinson, you come up big regarding a couple times for your Arnett team to ensure that they get this valuable 3 points. Tell us how you feel regarding picking up the player of this first round game.
I'm feeling good. I'm in a bit of pain because of some of the saves, but we had to get back in winning ways.
And you seem like you want to stay permanently in this goal for the Arnett team. Tell us about that.
Yes, that's one of my goals.
Tell me some more.
Arnett Gardens is more than just a club. We're a community and we had to prove to the fans that we are capable.
And you, how pleased are you with how you have been executing over the last few games between the sticks?
It's all a learning process. We get better each day. We learn. Some we lose, some we learn from. Yeah.
All right. Respect.
All right, I will just hear from the man of the match. We're going to hear what the coaches have to say about how the team carry out their each task or each match plan. So let's hear what the coaches have to say.
It said the ball is round, and if you don't take a chance, it come back to haunt you. And it went your way today regarding getting the ball in the back of the net.
Yeah.
Important victory. Tell us about it.
I mean, I'm happy that we won. It was a tough game. I have to give credit to Dunbeholden. I mean, they really put us under pressure, especially in the first half. You know, I was glad for the halftime break to at least talk to the team. And I think I didn't think we started the game how we said that we were going to play them, and they came at us, and we struggled to manage their rotation and what they were doing. You know, they pull us out of position and slice us down the middle. Second half we were a little bit better, but they continue to trade the blows at us. And I mean, I'm happy that we managed to get the 3 points today. You know, they did well, and it's just a game where we managed to score our opportunity and they didn't.
And to have Fabian Reed back, he knows how to get those goals and really approach the goal for tonight. You must be happy that he's been able to step in and fill that breach, that void that popped up right at the end of the first round. Yeah,
I mean, we know the player is. He's not just he's also a leader. So you know, his presence alone and experience, you know, is a huge plus for us, and we know what he can do, and that's important. That's how we want to play, to make sure that when we get our opportunities, we are closer to the goal in the middle where he'll get the opportunity to score.
Last question, senior keeper is out, youngster coming in the goal with a brilliant performance tonight. What's your assessment of the performance?
Yeah, I mean, he was good. He kept us in the game on a couple of occasions, and we have to give him credit. You know, he did extremely well under pressure, and I think those things made a difference tonight.
And finally, your first round in the club. How has things gone over the rounds regarding management-wise and players-wise and so on? Tell us about it.
I mean, it's always pressuring. At this level in general, it's always pressuring, and we know Arnett Gardens love their football, and of course, but so far the management has been very supportive, to be honest, and we're working together to make sure that we build the club and develop the players and meet the objective and the vision of the club.
So no major issue regarding management?
No. Not that I know.
No.
You know, I mean, I think we have a very good working relationship that has been going on, unless something pop up that I'm not aware of.
All right, big up Xavier Gilbert. If you don't take a chance, you'll come back to haunt you. You should have won this game comfortably. You must feel disappointed not getting something from this game.
Yeah, man, definitely. We created some chances. I saw some movement on the pitch that we were practicing. They are learning, they are improving, but you know, we still give up goal. That's the most important thing that we're not doing. We stop give up the goal. You know, we're not defending well, and it's a chance we got, and then the transition game caught us and then score a goal. But can't knock them. You know, we have to continue work. We have to continue work in front of the goal. Continue build that spirit there in the camp that you need. You know, sometimes it's not on the field you win the game, it's off the field, and we need to work on that aspect of our game and our team. You know.
You say you want to strengthen your camp?
Definitely, yeah, man. Yeah, with the youths them going away tomorrow I'm going with them to the Casa tournament in Miami. So after that, everybody will be in the team, and we strengthen the team and try and come better.
Looking for any major signings to really give you the lift that you want?
Well, we have a player coming in from in Washington, African youth, so we're picking him up tonight. So we see how he stays in training this week and try and strengthen the team as best we can.
And he's got a goal scorer?
Yeah, he's a flank player. Very good player.
You feel him can really?
Yeah, man. Can fit in at the team. We are playing 4-4-2. And you know my system is a 4-3-3, but true I didn't have that clinical winger yet to switch back to the 4-3-3. So I look at that when I come back, you know. But the team will get stronger, and we just have to try and let the players them know say it's not the end of the road tonight. They are very upset too, you know. But so it goes, so football goes. I tell them I don't want to feel them way after games. So they have to work on that part of the game. You know, feel happy after a game. You know, so we just have to continue.
Respect each other.
Yeah.
All right, there you go, people. It is full time. It is Dunbeholden 0, Arnett Gardens 1. Arnett Gardens snatch it. Literally pick Dunbeholden pocket. I do believe that Dunbeholden played better football through the 90 minutes. They created a lot of chances, but because of Asher Hutchinson between the six, who are very, extremely good tonight. Man of the match, as you can see, we just heard from him. You can hear what the coach was saying as well. Leonard Hyde pretty much disappointed in how the game panned out. Xavier is quite happy despite the team didn't perform as though it wanted to. They still got the vital goal and then take the 3 points, which is in football. It doesn't matter how good you play, you have to put the ball in the back of the net. You could pass the ball 5,000, 6,000 passes per game. Once you don't put the ball in the back of the net, it doesn't really matter. So it's very important that we get that out of the way. But overall, it was a good game of football. Brilliant matchup, I have to say. Very good game. One team possessing the ball, one team dominating the ball, the next team moving the ball in transition, and just how it is. Arnett Gardens 1, Dunbeholden 0. You have to score goals if you want to win games. That's how it is. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV, we're out. Boom.